believe that if we are moved to the mainland of Bougainville, we will lose it. We will lose areas of fishing. We will lose a culture. We will lose our sacred places. And they are very important to us. They are saying you have no choice. There is one resettlement which is carried out by a Catholic church in Timbuktu. And as somebody has mentioned, Esla, she brought in 5 families. And yet, she did not build 5 houses. And so 3 went back, and 2 have determined to build their own houses, and they're still. And they are saying assimilation. We have to get rid of some of our practices to be able to fit in with the people of Timbuktu. And so Timbuktu have to get rid of some of their practices to fit in with ours. The question is, will that work? I don't believe it will work. Because for how many times they've been telling us, you are foreigner. This is not your land. And mind you, Bougainville after crisis, 15 to 20,000 people died. And the young today are saying, state-owned land, business plantation which was owned by business or foreign businessmen, and church land are no longer belong to the stakeholders. They are ours. We suffered for it. We lost blood, lost life. They come back to us. And yet, they are bringing us to the so-called church land. I don't believe that we will be secure. Because there is a saying that history repeats itself. It is said that maybe by year 2020, the island will be submerged by the ocean, by the sea. Yes.